well, we have made it to Peppa Pig theme park in Dallas, or wherever the place is. It's like in between Fort Worth and Dallas. Looks pretty nice. Never been here before. Mostly came here to ride the one roller coaster and check out what this place has to offer. Never been to the one in Florida, so we'll see what this is like. Also, there's a Sonic right out there, so nice to grab lunch before or after, you know, your visit here. Also, there's a theme park, or a little water park over here. Looks pretty solid. Looks like it was doing some off-season work, but yeah, let's go in. And we're in. The place looks really nice. Not much shade, but yeah, let's get on this coaster, get the credit. But yeah, this is a really nice area. I like the theme, very colorful, pretty nice. I love how themed the little individual areas are, and I like how okay, it looks like they reused like the puppet golf area. It looks like, I think this used to be something else, another FEC. But yeah, let's go. Oh shoot, I totally went the wrong way for a Daddy Pig coaster. Nice view from the roller coaster queue. I love how themed this queue is. Ooh, nice. Like there's a screen here. Okay. I love it. Oh, keys in the washer. So I'm waiting to ride a Daddy Pig coaster, but they have this water feature over that's pretty neat. Like a busted pipe over there, and a little flower thing. I think the flower thing is supposed to represent water coming up, and there's actually dripping real water. That's actually really cool. I love that. I kind of like how whimsical the music is. This is nice. I'm enjoying this, or like, I'm appreciating the theming more than I expected I would.
Have your hands up ready for that black platform to come up. Once it does, you go ahead and stand up, exit out towards your left. Grampy needless articles, have a wonderful day.
Okay, that coaster was actually kind of fun. I was pretty shocked how good it was. Like, the second launch was actually kind of cool. It was pretty much like Slinky Dog Dash. And then this final helix actually pulled some pretty decent G's. Super smooth ride. Definitely, that was really good. Like, it beats most like other coasters out there in terms of like for a kiddie ride. Very good, very smooth. I am shocked how good that was. Anyway, looks like we got a little sand play area over here. I love how they kept that what's it called, the rock work over there, what used to look like a putt-putt golf area. Like a splash pad area. Might be too cold, or they might open it later. I love the trash cans. This is absolutely amazing. They have one of those like joust, or like, I think it's called joust, or like the Moose and Loose type rides, but they have like really cartoonified dinosaurs. I don't know if they move or not. I don't think so, but that's actually really cool. And what's really cool, I think your admission here, I don't know about the after one admission, but your admission here includes, at least my admission, includes like photos and videos. I don't know how to access that, but pretty neat. This is awesome. Very adorable. And here is their quick service area. I really like how it's themed in here. Like, I mean, it's pretty crude, like simple theming, but yeah. I got some grab and go stuff over there. Little entrees. Pretty nice. Alright, we are inside the cinema. And it looks like they're just playing a Peppa Pig episode. So a nice chill place to relax. Pretty nice. Probably really nice on a hot day. When it's like super hot. Get some nice AC. Good break from the heat. Oh, nice. So they have this whole indoor area with little bicycles you could like bike around, or your kid could bike around. So I'm sure there are a lot of references to the show, but I have no idea what they are. Like maybe that motorcycle back there has something to do with something. They have little carts you could push around here as little kids. And all the fans. Pretty nice on a hot day. This kind of reminds me of like Dr. Seuss, like Seuss Landing in Islands of Adventure. Like the music, the colors. It's very nice. Oh, they have a frog hopper. So this frog hopper looks like it's themed to one of those like test your might games where you like smash their mallet and then it jumps up, hit the bell. I have like games of chance here, but it looks like it's for free. You have a maze that looks like you see a frog in there at the center of the maze. A couple playgrounds. Pretty nice. And a little stand in the back over there. Looks like they have ice cream and popcorn. And a little mirror maze thing inside here, inside the little tent. So this is the fun fair section. This kind of looks like a carnival.
I can see some more footprints. They are really tiny. I wonder what is making. The footprints are being
That's a little playground area they have here, with all like the hills that kids could run up and down on. I think they have one of the balloon rides. I don't know if you get, it doesn't seem like you get to spin it, so it looks like just a regular balloon ride. Some shows here. Looks like today they have 2 show times and 3 meet and greet times. Again, I love the little beanbag chairs that, or the beanbags the kids can sit down. Pretty nice. I appreciate that it's covered. Nice on a rainstorm or a hot sunny day. And that's pretty much it. Really tiny park. And it looks like they have a little water feature here with some ducks. I'm assuming these guys are supposed to spin and shoot water out of their mouths. Maybe not. Yeah, I don't know what this is. What the point of this is.
Welcome back, riders.
I do appreciate the little flower steps, I'm assuming, so like kids could like walk up kind of sort of close to the coaster and look at it. You know, really get a good look at it before they decide if they want to ride or not. But pretty neat. I like it.
exit out towards your left. Grab any loose articles and have a wonderful day.
Oh, so I talked to one of the managers before heading out, and apparently this is a very light day. Usually he says like lines would be like 45 minutes and everything, which sounds miserable. So like right now this is a slow season, and kind of rain. We didn't get much rain, but like it's more like overcast, you know. So it's like not hot, you know, but it's kind of in the slow rainy season time. So it's why a little bit lighter. So it's way nicer visit for now. But yeah, anyway. Time to go now. Well, that does it for my time here at Peppa Pig theme park in Dallas-Fort Worth area. Yeah, I really enjoyed it here. It's a lot of fun. I can see if you have a kid that might be able to like spending like hours in the playground might end up being like a full day. But if you're just doing rides, there aren't too many here to really do a full day. You know, unless you do like show. Oh, they have a meet and greet out right now. But yeah, so you have to play in the playground, watch the shows and everything to really get a full day's worth out of it. But you know, I know I'm not the target audience, but I enjoyed it here. Pretty neat. Anyway, time to go.